off because I don't want anyone to see it, and not even you. Let's tie my hair, and of course I'm going to bring a face mask so anyone doesn't see my teeth, because yeah, I'll wear it later. Oh my gosh, I'll tie my hair later. So hard. Okay, never mind. Oh wait. Okay, and here's my sign. Sock time. Let me wear. Look, I know, but it's just one sock, but my dad just woke up and saw me. My dad just saw me, and my dad saw me dressed up, and he was so proud of me. I dressed up by myself. You guys saw it, right?
Hindi ka nag-ano ba yung Milo? Bili na lang doon, ano ka na lang doon.
Yeah, nagpain naman ako dito. That's all. Bye. Will stop touching my eye.